Welcome to my channel. This is a short unboxing and review of the Velor Bike Stand. And this is what you get in the box. You've got your assembly manual. Okay, here we have the bike repair stand assembly instructions and the parts that are included. It can handle 80 pounds. It's carbon steel. And those are the assembly instructions and instructions on how to attach the bike. Okay, let's get started on the assembly. Here that the feet, the bolts in there are nice and tight. One of mine was actually pretty loose, so I tightened it up. So you want to do that first before spreading out the legs here. And we do that. Push it all the way down. And lock it in. Next, you'll need to put this knob in here. Next, you'll need to insert this one in here. And loosen this as much as you can without using the nut here. Put that in there. And then put it in there. And then you can tighten this up. You can add the tool tray. And it is magnetic. And now we're ready to load a bike on there. And there you go. Nice and secure. And you can actually loosen this and put it in a different position. So by raising the tube here, you could put the bike in different positions. you can see, it's very stable. They provide an extra bar here, which can be used to secure the front wheel. For those of you that are wondering how to stabilize the bike with this bar, this adjustable bar, what you do is you attach it here, wrap it around and secure it, and then depending on the length of your bike, adjust this and then wrap it around your cockpit here, the handlebar, and now it's secure. If you like this and you got something out of it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.